everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you another Vedic Maths tricks, and it's going to be about squaring numbers that end in 5. So this works for any 2-digit number. I think it will work for 3 digits as well, I'm not sure. So basically, it is so easy, like it's the easiest thing in this world. So basically, let's say we want to square 35. That equals, so the first thing we have to do is just keep the 5 aside. So delete this 2, like ignore the 2, and keep the 5 aside. So we have 3 to work with. And then what we have to do is multiply it by the next number. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Then all we have to do to that 12 is add 25 on the end. So 5 times 5, we just add 25 on the end. And simple, that's it. So let's say 25 squared, that'll equal 2 times 3, 6, 25. It's really easy. How about 75 squared? That'll equal 7 times 8 is 56, 25. And there you go. If you want, I can check this one right now. It's 25 times 25. 5 times 5 is 5. And then 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. And 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. That'll equal 6 to 5. And that's our answer we got here. So this works for any 2-digit number, so 35, 25, 75, anything that ends with 5. But I'm yet to try 3 digits, and I think it might actually be the same principle. I'm not sure. I'm going to try 105 squared. So that will equal, to my calculations, 10 times 11. That will be 110, 25. Let's see if that's the case. So 105 times 105. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Oh, sorry. I just messed that up. So, x. Then 0 times 5, 0 times 0, 0 times 1. They all equal 0. And then 1 times 5, 1 times 0, 1 times 1, it will equal 105. And if I add them all up together, that's 5, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1. Oh, that does work. They're both the same. So in fact, I think this works for pretty much any number on the planet that ends with 5, and if you want to square it. So yeah, that's basically it. Well, there's nothing else to say, so I might just do my outro. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right there, as well as the subscribe button, which is also right next to it. And also, if you want to be notified of when I upload my videos, then just click the notification bell, but it only appears after you've subscribed. So make sure to subscribe first. And goodbye, see you in my next video.